Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have smartphone like iPhone or Android and smart television, how to mirror screen of smartphone to your smart television, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. First of all, I record my screen, my phone screen, so you can see simultaneously. One more important point here, if you want share screen mirror, so both devices connected on single Wi-Fi. So my television and my mobile are connected on single Wi-Fi, and then simply screen mirror option is available, and then if I click here and boom, my screen are showing here. If I go with this, if I play something in YouTube, I search here Research Rocks, play video, and playing this video, and boom, the video is playing in big screen without doing anything of this video. Voice is also coming here. If I play here another video is playing here. If you want share something new, so accordingly your mobile is coming here, other application is also displaying here. If you see some of the pictures, you can see some of the pictures on here, pictures, videos, like this. This is a simple tips and tricks you can mirror screen of your phone to smartphone television. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.